Hey guys, so one of the good things about using Slack is, I can only ramble for 5 minutes. But the whole point of this is to give anybody that's willing to learn some free education. And then if they want to excel, they can take the course. So, I'm going to do more like this. Everybody knows because, slackers, well, there are slackers, but scammers that are creating these false deals and typing. See, they can't do it if it's me. Well, they could. They could do it because they make AI generated stuff that could look and sound just like me. So make sure you pay attention that it's me. Watch my movements. Watch my background. This is not my the background that I use on some videos. I use the one where it's the what's the word I'm looking for? Like a green screen. I don't use a green screen. This is actual pictures and stuff, but anyway, see, I've already got off track. We're not looking for a trade though, right? Now's a great time to hang out and drink a cup of coffee because we're looking for the base. We're looking for the bottom down there. And when we played these two trades starting back here, and you can go back and look, right? It's like you got to do some of the work too. Go back and look and see where's the step one, knowing how far back in time you can look, knowing how far forward you can look, understanding which strategy, what this spread is. Spread's been high this morning, but we got two T1s. Number one might have hit T3. I don't know because right now with this, the amount of time I have to go babysit this afternoon. And so I have to get ready and go and be there at a certain time. So I'm not looking for one to run 10 pits and wonder how long it'll take. I'm trying to get as many, get in, get out, get paid, get gone, T1s. That's my goal. And I thought I could get one there, and I got it. And then based on all the information that if you want to learn, I'll teach you. Based on that information, I think I can get it again. And now I'm to the point where, no, I don't think I can get it again. So I'm stopping because I've hit the bottom. I've made the top. I know the time frame it took. I understand I got some news coming. I understand I wasn't playing any news. So I'm taking all these into effect. This doesn't mean, okay, now I'm just a buyer. Okay, it hit that. And everybody thinks, hindsight back testing, you have to understand it, right? Yes, it went from here to here. That's a downtrend. That is a trend trade. If we go to Euro USD, you're going to see the exact opposite. You're going to see this buy, which is this one, right? So it looked pretty good. This buy, right? This buy. So wasn't any sales going on there this morning, but there were 3 number 6s. But the first one came at 6 o'clock this morning that I would have seen. So all of this is dead to me. I didn't see it. I saw this. I was actually right in here when I saw it. And I thought, it's over. So I already won, right? It's already did its job. I don't know if it can go any higher. So I immediately switched to USD CHF, and I just played it going back the other way, started around the same time frame, right? I'll just go back and play it the other way. So I'm playing from here, right? This is what I've played. As it's gotten through the 50, I've played here. I don't play through that. Not saying you can't. Obviously, it would have won, but I have a system that I play. So right now, I'm basically waiting to see if I'm going to be able to sell this again. And if so, how high up can I put my strike rate? Because the higher I can get my strike rate up, the further it goes down to the blue line, the more money I can make. Maybe I go for a T3, right? Or a T4 or 5, or yesterday a T10, right? So you got to be able to put all this together, and you need structure, right? You can flounder around with it as long as you want, but you got to have structure. You got to have somebody to hold you accountable, right? You can ask members in here that's been here a while. You can ask John Blue. He's just now on strategy 3, and he just went 3-0 with it. He sent me 2 more yesterday, right? So the next time that I see him, we'll go over his homework. And the question that I'm going to ask you, John, is how you gave me 3 buys. How many sales did you see in your 2-hour block, right? And if you didn't take them live, go back and back test it. So if you didn't take any of these trades live this morning, you're not 2-0. Go back and see where did you get what you were supposed to be looking for. That helps you. Send it to me and let me grade it. So that's it. Another 5 minutes. We'll look for another one. See you.